Hello everyone, today, let's introduce the single pole endless clamp. Single ear endless clamps require specialized pliers or side cutters when used. First, select a single ear hose clamp with the appropriate diameter. Then place it on the hose and clamp it tightly with pliers. Next, we will explain the disassembly method of the single ear hose clamp. Disassembly method: use pliers to straighten the hook. Then clamp the steel strip and remove the pipe clamp. This is a disposable product that cannot be reused. We can provide SS300 for stainless steel material products for single ear hose clamps, or customize SS316 stainless steel products according to customer requirements. You can order any one or more specifications of products separately. You can also order our set of products with multiple specifications for one set. Finally, let's show you the pliers. We are hose clamp experts from China. Our company specializes in the production and sales of various high-quality hose clamps, including stainless steel hose clamps, ear-type hose clamps, heavy-duty hose clamps, bolt hose clamps, American hose clamps, German hose clamps, etc. We are committed to providing the best products and services to create greater value for our customers. If you need high-quality hose clamp products, we welcome the opportunity to cooperate with you. We look forward to establishing a long-term partnership with you to grow and develop together. For more information and product manuals, please visit our website, www.hd-hoseclamp.com. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.